What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and on today's episode we are gonna finish up the Corolla, try to get it started. I don't make any promises that it's gonna get started in this episode, but we're gonna see how close we can get. So let's get started. Before that though, make sure you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, please. Thanks. Peace. You know what's crazy? This tiny little grade 8 bolt literally held the engine up. Just this bolt and a little hook in the back of the motor, and that's all that held this engine to get into the car. Grade 8, man. Grade 8. It does the job. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the engine in and we finally got it hooked up, well, somewhat. So all that's left is to put this intake manifold on, hook up the throttle body. I might have to get some new hoses, and after that we can officially start it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick episode, and if you did, please make sure that you hit that like button on top, and I urge you to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.